Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Hello everyone and how are you all doing? Today I am here to give you a very useful French grammar tip on the French letter A. Bonjour à tous et comment allez-vous? Aujourd'hui, je suis ici avec une astuce de grammaire française très utile sur la lettre française A. Now let us see how is the letter A is pronounced in French. The pronunciation of the letter A in French is usually pronounced more or less like the letter A in father. Father. So, the letter A in French is pronounced like A. A. Par exemple, attention, l'ascenseur arrive. A. Attention. A. Ascenseur. A. Arrive. Attention, l'ascenseur arrive. Which means that watch out, the elevator is coming. Watch out, the elevator is coming. Let us see one more. Le cheval est un animal qui a beaucoup de classe. Le cheval est un animal qui a beaucoup de classe. Ça veut dire, en anglais, the horse is an animal that has a lot of class. The horse is an animal that has a lot of class. If we observe the sentence carefully, we can observe that the words which are ending with the letter combination A and L, they are usually pronounced. For example, cheval, animal. Let us observe this sentence. Dans mon sac, il y a mon repas, un avocat et du chocolat. If we observe the sentence carefully, the words that end with the letter combination AS and AT, the letters S and T are usually not pronounced. For example, hopa, avoca. And the words which are ending with the letter combination A and Se, the letter Se is usually pronounced. For example, S-A-C, sac. Dans mon sac, il y a mon repas, un avocat et du chocolat. C'est-à-dire en anglais, in my bag, there is my meal, an avocado and some chocolate. In my bag, there is my meal, an avocado and some chocolate. Sac, repas, avocat et chocolat. Les mots qui se terminent par la combinaison de lettres AS et AT, le S et le T ne sont généralement pas prononcés. Par exemple, bras, pas, repas, plat, contrat, achat. Les mots qui se terminent par AC, il y a des mots dans lesquels le C se prononce et le C ne se prononce pas. Le C se prononce dans les mots bac, lac, sac. Et le C ne se prononce pas dans les mots estomac, tabac. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed with this French grammar tip on the French letter A. Let us meet in the next video with another French grammar tip. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Kindly support my channel with your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you all. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.